An Actuary Career Guide. Chapter 1. Actuary Career Guide. Actuary Career Guide. Try bls.gov/OCO for a recent edition of this article. Actuaries make up lifespan tables for insurance companies and do other mathematical forecasts. They figure out how much more young drivers pay for automobile insurance than older drivers, how much an insurance policy should cost, how much an organization should contribute each year to its pension fund, etc. Answers to these and similar questions are provided by actuaries, who design insurance and pension plans and keep informed on their operation to make sure that they are maintained on a sound financial basis. Actuaries assemble and analyze statistics to calculate probabilities of death, sickness, injury, disability, unemployment, retirement, and property loss from accident, theft, fire and other hazards. They use this information to determine the expected insured loss. They may calculate how many persons who are 21 years old today can be expected to die before age 65. The probability that an insured person might die during this period is a risk to the company. Most actuaries specialize in either life and health insurance or property and liability, casualty, insurance. Others specialize in pension plans. The small number of actuaries who work for the federal government usually deal with a particular insurance or pension program such as Social Security or life insurance for veterans and members of the armed forces. Actuaries in state government are usually employed by state insurance departments that regulate insurance companies, oversee the operations of state retirement or pension systems, handle unemployment insurance or workers' compensation problems and assess the impact of proposed legislation. Consulting actuaries provide advice for a fee to various clients including insurance companies, corporations, hospitals, labor unions, government agencies, and attorneys. Consulting actuaries set up pension and welfare plans, calculate future benefits and determine the amount of employer contributions. They may be called upon to testify in court regarding the value of potential lifeline earnings lost by a person who has been disabled or killed in an accident, the current value of future pension benefits in divorce cases or the calculation of automobile insurance rates. Actuaries who are enrolled under the provisions of the Employee Retirement Income Security Act of 1974, ERISA, evaluate these pension plans and report on their financial soundness. Although only about 30 colleges and universities offer a degree in actuarial science, hundreds of schools offer a degree in mathematics or statistics. The Society of Actuaries gives 10 actuarial examinations for life and health insurance and pension field. The Casualty Actuarial Society gives 10 examinations for the property and liability field. Because the first parts of the examination series of each society cover similar materials, students need not commit themselves to a specialty until they have taken 3 examinations. These test competence in subjects such as linear algebra, probability, calculus, statistics, numerical methods, and operations research. These first few examinations help students evaluate their potential as actuaries, and those who pass usually have better opportunities for employment and higher starting salaries. The American Society of Pension Actuaries gives 7 examinations covering the pension field. Membership status requires the passage of 2 actuarial exams. Fellowship status requires the passage of 3 additional actuarial and 2 advanced consulting exams. Actuaries are encouraged to complete the entire series of examinations as soon as possible. Completion generally takes from 5 to 10 years. Many students pass 2 or more actuarial examinations before graduating from college. Examinations are given twice each year. Extensive home study is required to pass the advanced examinations. Many actuaries study for several months to prepare for an examination. Actuaries who complete 5 examinations in either the life insurance series or the pension series or 7 examinations in the casualty series are awarded associate membership in their society. Those who pass an entire series receive full membership and the title fellow. Consulting pension actuaries who service private pension plans and certify their solvency must be enrolled and licensed by the Joint Board for the Enrollment of Actuaries. Applicants for enrollment must meet certain experience, education, and examination requirements as stipulated by the Joint Board. Actuaries determine the probability of income or loss from various risk factors. Other workers whose jobs involve related skills include accountants, economists, financial analysts, mathematicians, rate analysts, rate engineers, risk managers, statisticians, and value engineers. Actuary job websites. 1. Society of Actuaries. SOA.org. Casualty Actuarial Society. CASACT.org. American Academy of Actuaries. Actuary.org. Actuary.com. BeanActuary.org. BeanActuary.org, very informative site sponsored by the Society of Actuaries and Casualty Actuarial Society, offering useful career resources, salary data, and other information about various career paths. JobTarget.com/home/index.cfm !site_ID =2829, Casualty Actuarial Society Job Center free job posting site sponsored by the Casualty Actuarial Society. Jobs.soa.org/home/index.cfm !site_ID =367, Society of Actuaries Job Center. SOA Job Center includes a wide variety of levels and specializations with a diverse selection of industries. Princeton.edu/career/vault.xml, Vault Guide to Actuarial Careers. Learn about why actuaries are now found throughout corporate America, not just the insurance industry, and how they help executives make intelligent and informed financial decisions. CASACT.org, Casualty Actuarial Society, CA, supports casualty actuaries who are committed to achieving their full professional potential while maintaining the highest standards of conduct and competence. SOA.org, Society of Actuaries, SOA, an educational, research and professional organization dedicated to serving the public and society members. Actuary.org, the American Academy of Actuaries AD.C based, 17,000 member professional association whose mission is to serve the public and the U.S. actuarial profession. Actuary job websites. 2. BeanActuary.org. BeanActuary.org/links.cfm. Actuary.com, Actuary.com. ActuaryJobs.com, Actuary Jobs. Jobs.soa.org, Society of Actuaries Career Center. SOA.org, Society of Actuaries. BeanActuary.org/about/best_job.cfm, Actuary is rated one of the best jobs in America. Actuaries.org.uk. Actuary.com. Actuaries.ca, Canadian Institute of Actuaries, CIA. Actuary.org, American Academy of Actuaries. ANA-ASNA.ca, Actuarial Students National Association. ASB-CNA.ca, Actuarial Standards Board, ASB. BeanActuary.org, Bean Actuary. CASACT.org, Casualty Actuarial Society, CA. Jobs.newscientist.com, New Scientist Jobs. Kent.ac.uk/careers/actuarial.htm, Interview questions for actuarial. Actuarialgrads.com, Actuary articles. Math-jobs.com, Math-jobs.com. sfu.ca/SASA, Statistics and Actuarial Science Students Association. SOA.org, Society of Actuaries, SOA. Actuary.com/actuarial-jobs. Actuary.org. ASPA.org, Pension Actuaries. BeanActuary.org. CASACT.org, Casualty Actuarial Society. dwsimpson.com, Pension Actuary Jobs. SOA.org, Society of Actuaries. careers.casact.org/home/index.cfm !site_ID =2829, Casualty Actuarial Society. Actuary.com, Actuary.com. BeanActuary.org. CASACT.org, Casualty Actuarial Society. RollinsSearch.com. dwsimpson.com/studjobs.html, northstarjobs.com, actuarialrecruiting.com, actuary.com, actuaryjobs.com, actuaryjobsite.com, adjusterjobs.com, adjusterjobsite.com, actuaryjobs.com, actuaryjobs at D.W. Simpson & Company, an executive recruiting firm. American Academy of Actuaries. 1100 17th Street Northwest. 7th FL. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-223-8196. Actuary.org. American Society of Actuaries. 475 North Martindale Road. Number 800. Schaumburg, Illinois 60173-2226. 708-716-3511. American Society of Pension Actuaries. 4350 North Fairfax Drive. Number 820. Arlington, Virginia 22203. 703-516-9300. ASPIA.org. Casualty Actuary Society. 1100 North Glebe Road. Number 600. Arlington, Virginia 22201. 703-276-3100. Fax, 703-276-3108. CASACT.org. BeanActuary.org. Society of Actuaries. 475 North Martingale Road. Number 800. Schaumburg, Illinois 60173-2226. 847-706-3500. Fax, 847-706-3599. SOA.org. Actuary Job Websites 3. S.C. International Ltd. 1315 Butterfield RD. Number 224. Downers Grove, Illinois 60515. 800-543-2553. Fax 630-963-3170. SCInternational.com. BeanActuary.org. SOA.org. Society of Actuaries. CASACT.org. Casualty Actuarial Society. Actuary.org. The American Academy of Actuaries. ABCDboard.org. The Actuarial Board for Counseling and Discipline. AREF.org. The Actuarial Foundation. blackactuaries.org. Actuarialstandardsboard.org. The Actuarial Standards Board. ASPA.org. The American Society of Pension Professionals and Actuaries. Cactuaries.org. The Conferency of Consulting Actuaries. Actuary Companies, no websites. Aegon USA Inc. Aetna. AIG American General. Allstate. Aon Consulting. Arkansas Blue Cross Blue Shield. AXA Financial. Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Massachusetts. Buck Consultants. Chubb Group of Insurance Companies. Cigna Corporation. CNA Financial Corporation. Conseco Inc. Deloitte Consulting LLP. Farmers Insurance Group of Companies. Geico. Genworth Financial. Hay Group. Hewitt Associates LLC. Highmark Inc. Lincoln Financial Group. Mercer Human Resource Consulting LLC. MetLife Inc. Milliman Inc. Northwestern Mutual. Penn Mutual Life Insurance Company. PricewaterhouseCoopers. Prudential Financial. S.C. International Ltd. State Farm Insurance Company. The Hartford Financial Services Group Inc. The Siegel Group Inc. The Travelers Company Inc. Towers Perrin. United Health Group. Unum Provident Corporation. Ernst & Young LLP. Watson Wyatt Worldwide. WellPoint, Inc.